Welcome to today's income tax class. Today we are going to discuss about the meaning for the terms business and profession. What is the purpose of knowing these two terms? Because basically we know what is called a business, what is called a profession. But in income tax, there is a separate definition for these two things. That meaning is quite interesting. And also, as far as that the problems are concerned, this is a very important and lengthy chapters. So many technical terms we should know for knowing this, for getting knowledge in this chapter. Let us take what is called a business, what is a profession. These things are covered from sections 28 to 44 AD in Income Tax Act. Business, basically we know what is called a business. Any merchandise activity, any commercial activity is named as business. In income tax, it gives the definition that, meaning that business is any trade, commerce, manufacture, and there may be the chain of transactions or any isolated transactions. See, when you call the activity as the business, need not be that should be the continuous activity. Say today I am having one commercial activity, next month I may have another one commercial activity, like that. So that's why we call certain things as the seasonal business. So there is no requirement for deciding this term as business. There is no requirement that it should be a continuous activity, regular activity, and neither repetition or continuity for income tax purpose it is required. So the repeated activity or continuous activity is not required for the term business. And another one is any isolated activity, any isolated commercial transaction is also coming under this category called business. Basically we are all aware that in another 15 days or 20 days we are going to have the festival season. In festival season we will have, in certain industries, in certain type of activities, they will have huge commercial transactions, right? So for deciding the term business, it is a trade or commerce or manufacture, buying and selling, need not be the chain of a transaction, need not be the permanent transaction, need not be the regular or continuous repeated activities for as far as income tax is concerned. Then another one, profession. Basically what is called a profession? See, I'm a teacher, right? Whereas if the same subject is taught by the one chartered accountant, one CMA professional, one company secretary professional, then they are all named as professionals, but a teacher, it is questionable. Teacher, is he a professional or not? It is questionable. So what is called a profession? It means a occupation where intellectual skill and technical expertise in a specialized field. That intellectual skill and technical expertise is required by way of having specialized knowledge, specialized degree, or specialized activity. Okay, then in a specialized field is required, is acquired, then it is called as a profession. Moreover, that profession is meant for earning a livelihood thing. A lawyer by practicing the legal profession is named as a professional. A doctor practicing medical is a professional. A architect is practicing his field, practicing his specialized knowledge of a profession, named as a professional. Like that, we should know what is the basic meaning and basic meaning and things related to the business and the profession. Now we are having the question, what is the purpose of knowing these two terms? Technically, particularly speaking, what is the purpose of knowing these two terms? Very simple. As a accounts person, we are all well aware that how to calculate the profit, how to calculate the income from the business. We know how to prepare the P&L account, how to prepare the balance sheet, that is income statement, we know, position statement, we know. But the point here is the income, by way of preparing the income statement, what we have calculated, is it correct as far as income tax is concerned? So there we need the help of income tax, there we need the help of income from business or profession, that we should study, we should know the technical aspects. In forthcoming sessions, we will discuss those things.